Previously, schema had to be added manually, one page at a time. If you didn't get to it, the page went live without structured data, giving up SEO and AI search visibility. With this update, when the setting is on and you publish a page without schema, it will be generated automatically. Let's learn how to enable this option. Navigate to the Funnels, Websites, Stores, or Webinars tab inside the Sites section. Select the build you want to enable the setting for, then pick the Settings tab from the top menu. Scroll down to the SEO and AEO section and toggle Auto Generate Schema on. Click Save in the bottom right corner. Schema Markup helps smart assistants and AI search tools use your data to route traffic to you. By having them auto-generate, you can reap all the benefits without publishing delays, preserve existing schemas, and keep control in your hands. Schema Markup powers rich results in Google and lets AI answer engines understand and cite your pages. Most people miss adding it. This feature keeps structured data on every published page with zero manual effort. We hope you enjoy it.